Hello guys, this is How to Solution, and in this video I'm gonna show you guys what to do if your group chat isn't working on Telegram. At first go to Play Store, download the app called Telegram X and then Nicegram. After installing both of the apps, go to Telegram X and then search for something called Nicegram bot. Click on it and then go to Start and then click on the I'm 18 years old and show sensitive content. And then press OK. After that, go to the website and then open. Once it loads, select all of them to on and then save. When it's done, you can finally go to Telegram and all of your groups should be working fine. Thanks for watching. This is it for the video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Until then, take care.